He's so upset. I'm sorry, dog. It's too funny.
Give me the chicken nugger. Don't give it to him, though.
Do you want it? Sit.
Oh, he's so relieved. He's so relieved you gave it to him.
Isn't he? He's like, oh, thank God. Oh, jeez, man, you were giving me blue balls.